Well, to start with, this video is absolutely not about coffee. It's about my old 1968 Gottlieb Funland. Now, it's not in great condition. It's probably what you'd call a player's machine. So it works. It's not in fantastic condition. The back glass had a bit of flaking, as you can see here and here where it's been touched in and round near the numbers. But it works, and managed to keep it working. Get down on the play field, and there's the play field of the Gottlieb Funland. Now, I particularly like this game because you've got to spot all the numbers, and these spinners spin the arrow which spots various numbers, and when it does, it also spins the arrow which lights up the different specials, so you're trying to chase the special around the field. And I particularly like that. I think that's a great feature. It sort of randomizes the game quite a lot, and you're always aiming for different things. And sometimes this light comes on and you've actually got to spot the number by spinning the spinner to get a special. 550 and 500 points, and because a replay is at 4,700, obviously these spinners can get you a lot of points. You can bounce around the playfield all you want, you won't get many points, but these spinners get you 500. And it's a very well designed game because it lets you think. It's very easy to get a replay and you can get a lot of numbers out, but it's actually very, very hard. And I don't like setting them up sort of on free play and not worrying about replays. I see the replay as achieving something. So let's start her up. Let's give her a go. And I don't know how many games this has played. 300,000, 400,000. I mean, we're talking a machine that's 52 years old, so it's pretty old. Some of the lights flicker. And let's see how we go. I don't nudge machines this age because it's not worth it. These little 2-inch flippers are, or whatever they are, small flippers, are really hard to use. They're powerful, but it's very hard to get the aim from them. Oh, and the side lanes are difficult. In fact, these posts, these second posts, can be moved down. There are two positions for them. One that makes it easier, less likely to lose it, and the forward position they're in now make them easier to lose. Oh no. Ooh. No, missed it. And if you do miss a shot, it's extremely unforgiving, because if you miss anything, that ball's straight to one of the outlanes. There we go. And where I'm lucky with this machine, I don't have any buzzing solenoids. There's a sort of solenoid that's always pulled in all the time when the game is activated, and that doesn't buzz. There was one that buzzed when I used to go over that to light the yellow pop bumpers. There was a solenoid that would pull in and just buzz all the time, but I managed to sort that out with a folded piece of post-it note up on the back hinge, which is where it was buzzing from. Let's, oh. Oh no. Right. So at the moment I've got to get a 1, 2 and a 6 to light up the special. And the 1, 2 is very hard to get up the top of the table, so I'll probably have to get the 1 and 2 on the spinner if I get the chance. Oh, well, that didn't last long. There we go, there's the 2. You really can't trap on these little flippers on the old games. No! But of course they were made in the old days to be difficult. They were a form of gambling when they came out in the States. Let's have another go. I got the grand score of 2033. Let's see if I can do a little bit better than that. We'll try again. Okay, let's give it another go. Ah, it's gone. Ah. No. No. Ooh. No, 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 no. No. So hard. No, no, no. Of course, I've got the camera in the way as well, so it's a little bit more difficult. See, the trouble is with the little flippers, you get that bounce as it comes off the hinge and it stops you aiming it. No. And also nudging doesn't really help on this. Ah! Nothing I could do. No, this is 600 points. This is pretty rubbish. Oh, no, no, no. Final ball. No, come on. Well, I can truly say that was rubbish. But that's my old Gottlieb Funland. I'll do some more videos and I'll open the machine up and show you around inside, and because there's no computers in this, it's just all coils and switches, mechanical switches. Ingenious really how they did it.